Packing box. Multimeter. Watch pen. Complete accessories. Battery installation. Open the back battery compartment cover and put in 19V battery. The watch pen is inserted into the corresponding port. DC current. Switch to the corresponding gear and connect the line in series as shown in the video. The watch pen is inserted into the corresponding port. MA DC current. DC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear and contact the two ends of the resistor. Buzzer. The test buzzes on and off, and the buzzer sounds to indicate normal patency. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Square wave. Switch to the corresponding gear and measure the square wave value as shown in the video. Triode. Switch to the corresponding gear and ensure that the transistor is of PNP or NPN type. AC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the general household voltage is around 220V. There will be a slight delay in the measurement, which does not affect the accuracy of the values.